is my bird flyer review too. You have seen my first bird flyer, right? Well, this is totally different. You can see the difference here. For starters, it has these. These are the things it can grab. It is like the eagle's talons. It can even stay on your shoulder. See? If you do it carefully, it will stay on your shoulder, like a parrot of a pirate. Now these are gears, but actually they are helping it to fly. It goes so fast, it goes to the moon. Like the first bird flyer, it can flap its wings. You just need to do this and this. This one has more pieces than the other bird flyer. It even has these stringy arm pieces. These are the eyes. That's all, friends, for today. Bye.